on our stay here in Lebanon at the Golden Lamb. We visited this wonderful little shop that's right next door. Ambassadors Antiques and Fine Linens. And I picked something up, my mom picked something up, and I want to take you inside and show you just what a lovely shop this is. The store owner is just so gracious and just amazing customer service. She does ship, so beautiful linens, beautiful linen nightgowns that have the look of the old white linen kind of pieces. So we'll go head on in there and I will show you just what a lovely, lovely shop this is. (23) South Broadway, Lebanon, Ohio. The linens here are just stunning. My first thought was that they were old, but they're not. Look at those big bolster pillows. Sweet dreams. Be my guest. And then when you look in that window, when my husband and I came the first time here more recently, we could peek in the window because the store was closed and see this just gorgeous bed all dressed in white. But the linens are just, the bed skirts are stunning. Here's a lovely antique bed and these beautiful, sort of a light coffee cream color linen blanket with the crocheted edge. Here, it's just like the old-fashioned, the old antique linens. We're done with all the pin tucking. And in this area, they do have several of the early English and French pieces, French sconces. Look at the beautiful tie back. Beautiful nails, all embroidered like they're little baggies, little sachet baggies, so $5.25 to put some linen in and then save in your drawers, your sachets. So when was the last time you saw one of these in a store? Here are these with the various initials on them. And like I said, she does ship. What a lovely, lovely gift. The store continues with this just such a sweet collection of beautiful children's clothing. And then I'll take you in the back for some of the really beautiful linens. Stunning.
Not really.
You have to use the mini board.
Yeah.
The mini board.
I love it.
These little, I just love the old white linens. Now, these are new. These are not old, but they have that vintage look. They are just gorgeous. And the lady here, the owner of the shop, irons each piece because when they come packaged, they are cotton, so they are a bit wrinkled, but she irons each one before they are hung up for sale. Now, you can wash them easily, 100% cotton, and then just hang them lightly to dry. But these are stunning, and you know, the long ones, probably between $50 and $75, I would say. Just beautiful. That French blue rose is gorgeous. Beautiful scarves. This purse is just gorgeous. Elegant Baby, Antiques, and Fine Linens. What a absolutely charming store. Look at those children's dresses. Like something out of a storybook. Precious. And that's the Golden Lamb Hotel. And you can't come to Lebanon without a visit to the Village Ice Cream Parlor. Some of the fun penny candy, and I think I saw they even have the clove gum. Thank you. So I'm here in the Golden Lamb this evening. This is the George Bush room. My room is right next door, but I thought I would take a peek here, and just met a lovely group of women. Vicky, Elaine, Connie, Judy, who do this amazing Christmas decorating in the building at the Golden Lamb. And we got a wonderful little tour here on the second floor with some of the rooms that are decorated all for Christmas, and I will show you more of that here in a bit. All the rooms, you get a key to stay here at the inn. Again, this is the oldest continuing hotel in the state of Ohio. Started in 1803. Oops. There are 4 floors. Lots, of course, of the decorating. Has the lambs, since it is called the Golden Lamb. Very famous hotel. And this is my mom and dad's room today. This is the Charles Dickens room. The hotel puts information on the bed, a little letter telling you about the particular room and authors, or apparently Charles Dickens wrote the story The Christmas Carol a year after staying at the Golden Lamb. The bed actually has a twin. It was made by a cabinet maker who made another that was very similar or just like it. They say it's a sister bed. It is in the Lincoln Room in the White House. Fit for a king and queen. Love that squeak. So this is one of the rooms here at the Golden Lamb, all decorated for Christmas. And we had the pleasure of meeting 4 of the ladies who put this amazing treasure together. Elaine, Connie, Judy, and Vicky. And this is just an amazing building, and they really enjoy doing it. They're not really a club, they're just a group of women that get together at this time of the year and do this service. And I'll go down the hallway here with you and show you. So they've started on this floor, the second floor where we happen to be staying, so we get the benefit of all this gorgeous Christmas decoration. And some of the ornaments and things have been donated by community members. So there's one room that's all angels. We'll check that out also. But clearly very talented ladies. So of course these rooms are all, available for renting for special occasions, holiday parties, weddings. They did the stairs going up. Here they say they start pretty much from green wreaths. Sometimes they repurpose from one year to the next with some things. Oh my goodness, look at this room. This is the Nutcracker room that they have put together. Here's Elvis. Just unbelievable. I love how they do the garlands, these large garlands, and then they are kind of offset on one side. Just very clever. So we'll check out this room right here. I think is the one that had the angels. Would I find a light? No, I'm not going to be able to find a light switch. Sorry, guys. And this one here, they made all of the felt stockings. What a labor of love. And so they've started here on the second floor, and they're just going to keep continuing throughout until the entire open spaces of the building are completed with the Christmas decor. And look at the holly garlands over the chandeliers. And look at this silver tree here in the display case. Such an attention to detail. Ulysses S. Grant room. You can't really see a whole lot of it, but this one has a seating area. And all of the people who are mentioned here in the rooms or commemorated with the different rooms, they have stayed here at the Golden Lamb. In this case, filled with shaker pieces. That does get lit up. Hello, Prim friends. Editing Gabriella hopping on to invite each of you personally to the Seville Antiques Christmas Open House that is taking place this Saturday, November 23rd, 2024, between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. My booth is at Seville Antiques. I will be there along with many of the other 30 plus dealers and all of our things that we have collected over the last several months and sometimes even years. The shop will go through an incredible transformation, and Saturday is really quite a joy to see and behold, and fun for us as dealers as well to get to see all of you. Also, I wanted to mention there is a soap company represented at the Golden Lamb called Oregonia Soapworks. When my husband and I stayed there a couple of months ago, I was just so impressed with the little soap samples that each of the rooms carries, and did a little research and actually reached out to Shannon, the owner of Oregonia Soapworks, to offer our viewers a 5% off coupon for it is just, I can't express enough. My words are not coming to me. The soap that is there at the Golden Lamb has a specific name. I'll put it up on the screen. And it wakes you up in the morning. Very natural products, and I just had to reach out. So they're wonderful for gifts. I am making a big order myself, and she has offered our viewers a 5% off code, which is Prim Friends, all one word, PRIMFRIENDS, plus no shipping costs for an order over $50. So beautiful, just wonderful product. If you search in the search bar for Golden Lamb, all of the items that are available in the Golden Lamb will come up on the website. And I cannot say enough about the body soap. That is my particular favorite. Hope we see you on Saturday. Take care, everyone. And we will see you in the next video. Don't go away. We have a little blooper here at the end that we recorded when we were at the Golden Lamb the last time a couple of months ago. I hope you enjoy. Take care. See you soon. Well, I didn't realize when I made our reservation to stay at the Golden Lamb, Ohio's oldest continuing business since 1803, Ohio's oldest hotel, that it was going to be a room on the 4th floor, which is also reported to be the most haunted floor. The Shaker retiring room. And down here is our room.
Well, Nancy, it was a lovely stay here at the Lumpy Monkey.
The Lumpy Monkey.
I mean, the Golden Lamb.
Why can't you remember the name of this
I just
place?
don't know.